This video is supported by Dehancer.
For the majority of my color grading projects, I've been using DaVinci Resolve with Dehancer, which has been a reliable tool for me. Recently, Dehancer invited me to test their newly released iOS app and provide feedback on it. I've been using it for a while now and would like to share my thoughts. The app includes both a photo and video editor, with the video editor featuring additional tools such as gate weave and film breath. Unlike typical video photo apps with filters, Dehancer's technology is based on scientific research to emulate real film looks as realistically as possible. This approach results in more natural colors and tools, which are comparable to those available in their desktop plugins. Even if you have not been using professional color grading tools before, the app is quite intuitive to operate. It has a gentle learning curve that allows you to quickly achieve improved results with just a few minutes of use. Overall, the Dehancer app is a useful tool for anyone who wants to achieve professional-level color grading results on their iPhone. It is reasonably priced and worth checking out if you're serious about color grading. However, it's worth noting that the app is currently only available on iOS, so Android users will have to wait a bit longer. Give it a try and share your thoughts with me in the comments section below.